Hello guys, my name is Mihir and you are watching Mihir Tech. Nowadays carrying a laptop is very annoying and uncomfortable. Just for few software we have to carry a whole laptop. What if you have to carry only a small pen drive instead of a huge laptop? In today's video I'll be show you how you can make your own portable software very easily, which you can carry with you anywhere into a small USB drive. So stay with me till last and I'll show you how you can do that. And if you still not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and press that bell icon to get latest video notification. And also don't forget to like my video and share with your friends. So let's get started. First of all, we have to download and install winrar. The link is given into description below. Then install the software or go to the software folder if you already installed the software. For example, I am using Dr. Phone mobile software. Now right click on the software and click on open file locator. Now select all the files by pressing Ctrl+A and copy them on copy the software name by clicking on reload. Now again select all the files by clicking Ctrl+A, right click on them and click on now set compression method to best. Now click on create SFX. Now go to setup and paste software name which we have already copied before. Add .exe extension to it. Now in modules, click on unpack to temporary files and hide all. Now go to update and click on override all files. Now click on OK and wait for some time. Now we will check our portable software. The software is working completely fine. Now some people will say that the software is running because it is already installed in my PC. Now I will uninstall the software and we will check the software is working or not. Now the software has been uninstalled. Let's check our portable software if it still works or not. The software is working completely fine as before. So now we can say that the software is working completely after making it portable. So if you want to make your own software like this, you can make it easily. And if you get some error or something problem, I will definitely help you. If you found something helpful in this video, please don't forget to like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel.